Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can upload your files on Drive. So for that you have to watch the full video. So first you have to go to the Drive. Then if you wanna upload direct, then you can click on this option and you can just click on upload. But if you wanna go like in, you have to just separate your folders. So then you can create a folder too. So for that you have to just click here and then click on folder. Like I want to make a folder in this option, I mean YouTube videos folder. So if you click on YouTube videos, then look, there are so many folders, and those folders are video folder that I upload, I mean for YouTube videos. So like if I want to just put it in this folder, then I have to create a folder here to keep my files separately. For that I have to just click on now on this plus icon, and then I have to click on folder. So I have to just give it a name. It will be easy for me to understand what I'm putting here. I'm just giving its name 23 August. That's it. And then just you have to upload. Look, it's uploading and it's successfully uploaded. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching this video, and do like, share and subscribe to this channel.